Hello and welcome to this next challenge. Ngayon magkakaroon tayo ng hypothetical bank in a sense na dapat makapag-open tayo ng ating mortgage. So meron lamang itong mga simple operation just like scanner. Meron din tayo ditong if statement and then mag-output lamang tayo at paggamit ng logical operators. Okay, let's begin. First, I'm going to compile my program and then Java 5th. Alright, so meron tayo /bank. Are you here to get a mortgage? Kailangan mong mag-type ng yes or no. Notice may isang line, tapos may apat tayong asterisk sa pagitan ng /bank. Replace this with your last name or code name na kung ano man. Okay? And then are you here to get a mortgage? Kailangan mag-type ng yes. Kapag nag-type ka ng yes, okay, meron tayo ditong susunod na set of instruction. Notice may line ulit. Great! In one line, how much money do you have in your savings and how much do you owe in your credit card debt? Okay, so one line. Ibig sabihin, hindi tayo mag-e-enter ng magkaibang line. So para makita natin, how much money do you have in your savings? Sabihin natin 20,000. Space, again, one line lang. And how much do you owe in your credit card? Sabihin natin 2,000. Okay, I'm going to hit enter now. And then how many years you have worked for? So around 8 years na ako. What is your name? I'm going to type Edward. Congratulations Edward, you have been approved. Okay, so simple lang. No, doon sa loob ng part ng dito, kapag yes, ito yung kanyang gagawin. Ngayon, paano naman kapag no? Let me rerun the program. Are you here to get a mortgage? No. Okay, have a nice day. Okay, so yun lamang yung ating program. I'll be seeing you sa ating next video.